Want to learn the morning routine of world geniuses and leaders of the world? Hey DevNations, today we'll be reviewing Robin Sharma's The 5 a.m. Club. Own your morning, elevate your life. There we go. So, in Robin Sharma's The 5 a.m. Club, you learn how to create and develop a revolutionary morning routine to maximize your productivity, health, and mindset. The book takes the perspective of an entrepreneur and an artist. They eventually go on a journey to learn the morning rituals of world titans. You begin to learn about multiple components of the morning ritual, including topics such as the 4 focuses of history makers, the habit installation protocol, and how long it takes to build habits, as well as the most important part, the most important concept, in my opinion, really the most important takeaway from the book, the 20-20-20 formula. This is where you learn about the importance of waking up at an early yet consistent time, and the importance of starting your day with morning exercise, reflection, and growth, all taken care of in your early morning within that 20-20-20 formula. This book is great for anyone looking to get the most out of each day through a daily morning ritual. If you enjoyed today's review, please make sure to like and follow DevNations for more book content. As always, I'm Perez the Dev, and thanks for watching.